Welcome to District 11 CRM. Today, I'm going to show you how to register for our CRM in just a few simple steps. To start, click on Sign Up and enter your email. Once you're ready, hit Sign Up. You'll receive a one-time passcode, OTP, sent to your email for verification. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam folder or contact our support team at district11.app. After entering the OTP, fill in your details, name, password, and mobile number, and click Continue. Next, tell us about your company. Name, team size, industry, and number of users. When you're done, click Continue again. Finally, share your goal for using District 11 CRM, whether it's close deals faster, find new leads, manage relationship better, or collaborate with your team. And click Let's Start. Congratulations, you're now all set to explore District 11 CRM and take your customer relationships to the next level. Welcome to District 11 CRM family.